Good day, folks. Let's now take a look at the syllabus for Financial Statement Analysis 315, Intersession 2022. I encourage you to review the entire syllabus to make sure you know the process we're going to follow, what the expected outcomes are, the assignments, when they're due, what needs to be done. Everything is on Canvas right now for you to do the whole course, and you have some extra time to do it. This is a fascinating time to do financial statement analysis because so many variables are happening. We have supply chain, we have inflation, and all of these things will impact a company and how we look at them and what we find. So this course is really an in-depth study of financial statements. It's a combination of accounting results, accounting numbers, and information from other sources to estimate the value of corporate securities. It's a perspective that financial accounting sometimes describes, but sometimes gets in the way of understanding the fundamental activities of the firm. We're going to look at strategy, its impact on financial statements, the qualities and limitations of accounting information. When does accounting information help us, and when does it sort of get things messed up, as I said before? We're going to look at quality of earnings, earnings management. We're going to use a lot of different things to be able to analyze a company and value a company. This class is consistent with the School of Business and all of our learning goals. Successful students will be able to understand the purpose of financial statement analysis, apply a 6-step model, identify and use various sources of information to evaluate a company, utilize the Wall Street Journal to identify and evaluate company issues, understand how a company makes money, a very basic concept, but you'll learn more about it. Understand and interpret cash flow, understand the concept of quality reporting, be able to explain and apply environmental, social, and governance ESG criteria. Implement commonly used valuation methods, demonstrate financial modeling, and be able to communicate this information effectively. For those preparing for the CFA exam, this course will give you a strong foundation for success in these texts. For those that are very serious, there are additional resources available. Here's 2 texts that I do like. What's the method of course evaluation? 1, getting to know each other, applying financial statement analysis in real times, participation in real-time presentations, 2 quizzes, a research project, which counts for a significant portion of your grade. The letter grades are going to be assigned by this. They're based on a rounded basis. Canvas quizzes will be on Canvas. The focus will be on application of materials, not memorization. So it's open book, but you have to be able to think and process information. One of the things that the world has changed so much because of COVID, Black Lives Matter, environmental issues, supply chain, and all of these have a significant impact on the firm's strategy and thus financial future. So we need to be aware of them. The methodology that we'll use is you select 1 or 2 other people that you will work with on a team. I'll provide you with an article. You look at it, and you then will do a presentation, and we'll have a discussion. You need to participate you do your own, and then you need to participate in real-time discussion. Now, if you've already taken a class with me, you know these aren't your everyday presentations, that they're interactive. It's not you get up and talk and then we clap and that's it. No, we're going to have a dialogue as we go. We also have a semester research project, and the goal of this is really to ensure the transfer of knowledge from theory to practice. All the material is out there already. I'll give you the choice of some companies. If you want to work on another one, you just need to let me know. Let's just go through the key semester dates. The first official day of class is January 3rd. However, I'm making it available today on December 21st, so that if you'd like to get a head start on it, you're more than welcome to do that. It's not required. The course deadlines are built around the official schedule. Getting to know each other needs to be completed no later than January 4th. For the financial statement presentation, current events, you need to let me know the names on those person you'll be working with no later than January 5th. Our first project is due January 10th. Quiz 1 is available June 14th. Application project 2 due later. Notice all no later than. There's a lot of flexibility in this as to when you do it. I would suggest you not wait till the last minute. Successful students do it a little bit in advance just so they make sure they get it and don't box themselves in. Project 2 due later than January 17th. Project 3 no later than January 23rd. And the final quiz will be available January 24th. I'm assuming that you know a certain level of material. So what I've done is I've created in Canvas a section called background resources, things you should already know. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at what is financial statement analysis, how do firms make money. If you've taken 311 with me, you know how important this is, but we're going to go back and look at it again. Module 3, we're going to take a look at accounting and auditing considerations and analysis. Then we're going to get into Module 4, which is analysis of principal financial statements. Then we look at IFRS, International Financial Reporting Standards. We'll take a look at forecasting, valuation, and pulling it together. I encourage you to really take some time and look at the resources that are available to you. There is a lot of resources. We want you to be successful. Important as you do this, if you have questions, please let me know. Let's continue by taking a look at Canvas. This is the Canvas screen you will see. Notice that up in this column here, there's only a home page and grades. Everything is on the home page and digs down. What you're going to find on the right-hand side is your to-do list. When is everything due? Now remember, these are all no later than, so you can start working on them right away. We're right here in financial statement analysis. There is an Intersession syllabus, which we reviewed. Then the first assignment is getting to know each other. And what that is you create a video on your own, and then you watch and comment on 4 others. So what you need to do is you just click right here, and that is going to take you right over to the welcome screen, and it's in something called Flipgrid. And what you do is you introduce yourself, name, what's your major and year, where will you be taking this course from, why are you taking this class, what's your favorite color, bonus if you get it and let me know in your video, and how can I remember you. So what you do is you could add a response. You just click right here and you create it, you record it, you save it, and then you will go and be able to respond. This is mine, and I am blurred here. That just happens. So you gotta first create your own, look at others. The goal of this is so that we can get to know each other. It's also a good way to find a partner for the current events presentation. Okay, back to this. And if we go back to the home, one of the things you can do in this is you can actually, by clicking down, you can nail everything into, and I'm going to do this so that you can see. Okay, now what you can see is you can hide these things and open them up as you need them. So when we go, here's the background information. These are things I would expect you to know. If you don't know them or don't feel comfortable with some of the work, you will find information here to help you. Once you move into the module, what you're going to find is articles. You're going to find lectures. Then as you go through, you work your way through each one of them. Then there is the application project. There's the instructions. Here's where you post it. And here's a sample project. Make sure you read the instructions. I plan these out. Don't wait until January 10th at 10 o'clock to start your project. I encourage you to do it sooner. Everything is out here that you need. I'll add different things as we're going along, but there's no material changes. And you do everything in Canvas. a lot of the application projects, you might find that you want to do a voiceover or record, because sometimes that's easier than writing stuff, because your writing can get really choppy and you don't always review what you're saying. So I encourage you to do a video. It enables you to go deeper, and really I can judge your engagement, but I can also assess what have you really learned. Do you get it? Sometimes with words, it's harder to see if you get it. So that's Canvas. Every week there will be a video to give you an overview of what you should be working on. So as I said, you can start now, and it's all laid out to run in January, but if you get an early start, that's great. And if you got questions, please let me know.